Today I'm going to show you how to quickly change your name in CapCut. If you've ever wanted to update your display name, maybe you made a typo when you first signed up, or you're just ready for a new look, this quick walkthrough will make sure you get it done with no confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your new name showing up just the way you want it. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up the CapCut app on your device. If you're on your phone or tablet, just tap that CapCut icon as you would with any other app. On desktop, simply double-click the CapCut shortcut or find it in your Start menu. It's a tiny step, but getting into the app is where it all begins. If you haven't updated CapCut in a while, it's always a good idea to make sure you have the latest version, just to avoid any weird glitches. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load, CapCut tends to open up pretty quickly these days. Once you're inside the app, look below the main editing spaces. There you'll spot your profile icon or your username, usually toward the bottom or side of the workspace depending on your device. This is where your account details are tucked away. Tap or click on your profile. Think of this as opening a door to your digital identity here, where you control what others see when you collaborate on projects or join community features in CapCut. Now take a glance up toward the upper right corner. You'll spot the settings icon. It might look like a little gear, which is the universal symbol for settings across most apps. Give it a click or a tap. Entering settings is kind of like stepping behind the scenes, where you can make adjustments that personalize your CapCut experience. This part might take a few moments if it's your first time exploring the settings menu, but don't worry, you're not alone. Inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Basic Settings. This is where the essential stuff lives, and it's usually one of the first options you'll see. Under Basic Settings, you'll see your current name displayed. Click or tap right on your name field and it will become editable. This is your chance to type in your new name, whether it's a new nickname, your real name, or even just correcting a spelling error from before. Take your time typing the new name. Think how you want to be seen by collaborators or in project credits. If you're changing your name to match your creative brand or just switching things up for fun, this is the moment it all gets updated. After you've got your new name entered, be sure to click that Save button. This step is crucial. If you don't tap Save, the changes won't stick and you'll be back where you started. It's a simple confirm button, but it matters. And that's really it. Your new name should now be saved and visible across CapCut. If you ever need to change it again, just repeat these steps. Sometimes it may take a few seconds for the changes to appear everywhere, especially if you're working across devices. Don't worry if you don't see the update instantly. CapCut usually refreshes your info pretty quickly. That's all there is to it. Changing your name in CapCut really is that easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always here to help. And if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and happy editing.